Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have Xiaomi's brand new lineup Redmi Note 11 smartphone. This is one of the best budget range smartphone you can get in 2022. In this review, we will be going through with the build quality, overall performance, camera and audio quality test. If you are fancy getting one, please check the product link in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get started. In terms of the packaging, you can see the picture of the phone on the top and the model details printed. Well, let's get this unboxed and see what you get inside. You will get a SIM ejection tool, as usual, some paperwork, a free clear case, obviously that perfectly fit and can access all the ports and buttons easily, Redmi Note 11, 33-watt power adapter, USB-C charging cable. Let's get into the design and the specifications. Redmi Note 11 is mainly focused for mid-range target customers, but still it has this unified design, pro look and feel. This phone measures about 159.8 by 73.8 by 8.09mm and it is weighed about 179 grams. On the right side you can see the volume rocker, fingerprint scanner with the power button built in. And on the left side you can find the SIM card tray. Having said that, you can use 2 SIM cards or use 1 SIM and an SD card with this smartphone. Redmi Note 11 comes with 2 speakers built in and you can see them on both ends. On the top you can find the 3.5mm headphone connector and the bottom Type-C charging connector. Moving on to the display, you get 6.4 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display screen protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 display for durable use. You can experience rich vibrant colors with this, and also it comes with 2400 by 1080 resolution display with 409 ppi pixel density. Furthermore, it has up to 180Hz touch sampling rate, 1000 nits peak brightness, screen refresh rate up to 90Hz, DCI-P3 white color gamma, and has sunlight display, means you can use this phone outdoors without getting distracted. So this is a perfect screen to watch your favorite content on the go, browse the internet or playing games. Also, thanks to the 90Hz refresh rate, you can still experience a very smooth frame rate. In terms of the hardware, this Redmi Note 11 is powered by Snapdragon 680 power efficient 6nm processor. It is fully loaded with strong octa-core CPU with up to 2.4 GHz clock speed. Also, thanks to the Qualcomm 610 GPU and inbuilt 6GB RAM, you can play decent games without slowing down the device and can perform multitask. Furthermore, this time Xiaomi introduced an all-new feature called memory extension. With this, it will give you faster system performance by using some available storage as RAM. So you can multitask and swap between apps much faster. And last, this is the Geekbench CPU test result. When it comes to the storage, you get massive 128GB internal storage and the freedom of adding extra memory up to 1TB using a micro SD card. With the dual speaker system, you get a stereo immersion experience when you watch your favorite movies, listen to your favorite tracks or even play games. Also, you can still use your own 3.5mm headphone to listen thanks to the audio input availability. When it comes to the camera, the Redmi Note 11 comes with the versatile quad camera system. So you get 50MP wide camera with f1.8, 8MP ultra wide camera with f2.2 and field of view of 118 degrees, 2MP macro camera with f2.4 and 2MP depth camera with f2.4. When it comes to the rear camera video recording, you get 1080p and 720p on both 30 fps. Also, you get 13 megapixel front camera with f2.4 aperture with video recording of 1080p and 720p both in 30 fps. Image stabilization is not the best when it comes to video recording, but happy with the decent still image capture. With the camera app, you can use Pro Mode to capture your best shot with wide or ultra wide option while customizing the settings. Also, you can try portrait, panorama and time-lapse options. So this phone is perfect for taking pictures in any situation and can be used to capture everyday casual photographs. Let's quickly see some sample pictures and videos. Moving on to the battery, you get 5000 mAh non-removable battery with MMT technology to enable pro charging capabilities. So average you get about 2 days of battery life with general use. With provided 33V pro charger and with MMT technology, you can boost the charging speed up to 26 times more compared to the previous generation 33V charger. When it comes to the network and connectivity, you will get a 4G connection, Bluetooth 5.0. Also, this phone comes with inbuilt GPS. Moving on to the built-in sensors, it has proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, accelerometer, electronic compass, IR blaster and gyroscope. This phone is rated as IP53, a dust and splash protection device, so it can be used in some challenging outdoor conditions. In terms of the operating system, Redmi Note 11 comes with MIUI 13 based on Android 11 for smooth user experience. You can fully customize the user interface and apply some awesome themes directly from the phone. Moving on to the phone security, you can use a side fingerprint sensor which is very responsive, or use AI face unlock as usual. Through the settings, you can enable an always on display and lock screen with custom background. And again, you can access the control center quickly by swiping from the top. Then you can quickly control the brightness level and quickly access the settings. Anything else is the same as other Android smartphone. With that all being said, you still can make or receive phone calls and do text messages as usual. The keyboard can be accessed and navigate easily. And last, this smartphone is available in Star Blue, Twilight Blue and Graphite Grey. Well, my honest opinion about this smartphone is this is a good quality pro look and feel smartphone. You get a decent camera setup including the selfie cam, long-last battery with a pro fast charging option, and more importantly, the all-new feature is called memory extension makes every task so smooth. As a mid-range or budget-range device, this is a great option to try. With that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this Redmi Note 11 smartphone in the comment section down below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do subscribe to see more videos like this. Well, see you again with another one and stay safe.